my disc, bro. Bro? That's sick. Gonna put it on, bro?
I'm not gonna put it on.
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro. Nah!
He longs to be an inside pig, but his farm needs him.
What's up, Bella? What was that, Bella? Hi, Bella. What's wrong, Bella?
Whatever language turkeys speak, he knows it.
You're gonna fall asleep.
All right, on your marks, get set, go.
10 years. Please explain.
This one took "take a seat" too seriously. Camels are just secret ballerinas.
And a horse that's equipped with turbo.
Oh, so that's what free range means.
Jerry, don't do it, Jerry! No! Jerry! Where my grandma's at?
No regrets.
Up. Get out of the water. Let's go.
But she identifies as a duck. This cow decides when it's dinner time. Just coursing around. Now, how did that get there? Even the dog's done with it. First up, a prank to see if geese care when their owner faints.
It's nice food. I'll pop it all out for all of you to eat. Hey? Yeah.
How are you gonna get out? You want help?
Even for goats, this is a bit out there, dude.
You in a predicament?
Outstanding service and fair prices. Come on, let's play at
Every barn has that one cow that can't keep it together. Your own pig treadmill.
Dude, what?
You just slaughtered my whole freaking head.
Foolproof alarm.
Hey.
This baby camel speaks fluent English.
What's the cow say? What's the cow say?
Come on, this way. This way. No, my goodness. No, my goodness. Oh, thank you. Middle of the road, donkey. Come on.
Your options, Earl.
No cardio, please.
They're calling for you. No, you can't get back. No, don't get back on the bus. What the hell?
Straight from the source.
If you step forward one more step, so your nose is not.
Average day at the goat farm.
You get stuck so good. Don't run away.
I mean, she's having a better summer than me.
Tail.
Yeah, dude, you're the odd one out.
Who's that guy playing? Come on.
Tiny run! Get him, Tiny!
Works every time. Oh, what I'd give to be stuck in this traffic. Who needs a guard dog when you have a cat?
go?
Jo, det er fint, hvis du kan få den til at gøre det der. Det ville være fantastisk.
Are you kidding me? Why are you on my front lawn? I don't want to kiss. Get your ass back to... No, sir. You go that way. Go on.
This cow created its own water slide.
Snowy faces, hey Pudge.
Sheep are cute, but sheep with snowy faces? Next level.
I don't know if she finds that very sexy. Ooh, well, okay. That's not, the best way to get girls, but that's okay.
Put the goat down! Drop the goat! Oh my gosh.
Good boy. Yee-hoo! Whoa!
He really committed to that one. Forget raining cats and dogs, it's raining goats here.
Come do it again.
10 out of 10 use of that slide.
Is why we don't crawl. And don't scream at me. You did this to yourself.
Well, 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 if it isn't the consequences of his own action.
Because I think he's really tired.
Yeah, I think he can see that.
The little guys were spotted doing push-ups at the gym.
That ram has a plan. Delicious! Chickens might be small, but they're mighty.
Oh my god! What have you done?
Packers are disrespectful towards everyone. The chickens are addicted to horse food? Merciless goat attack.
What are you doing to me?
You say hey? Hey?
I did not expect that.
Hey.
This gorilla was upset that their stick got stuck.
Oh no! Can I get a
Serves him right. Curious cows. I aspire to be as unbothered as this horse. Sheep are not exactly known for following instructions.
What in the are you doing? Get out of there!
She's having breakfast in bed.
Move your kittens to a different spot. And the chicken followed.
Ducks also have...
Pelican suddenly fell asleep.
Independence Chicken. Turn your back for 1 second and there's a goat on the couch.
Walk, huh? Go, baby.
Oh my days! No! No! Not the roof! Not the roof! Not the f***ing roof! Oh, don't jump! But their heads do weigh a lot.
Noah! This is the greatest thing I've ever seen.
Noah!
Kept your feelings locked inside of
you. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Do you have time to talk about our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ? Hey, don't run from them.
Roof is wrong for that.
You can summon a sheep with anything that sounds like food. Me before morning coffee.
Happy all this hot about me. Don't bang the bloody Utah. Prize boy that way, isn't it? Leave it.
네. 나도 삐져요.
he thinks he has the upper hand. This one.
So patient. You've been so patient.
Oh, the other one.
Okay, now. Be good.
He likes his meal. Good idea.
Who? Speak English. Yeah. Ooh.
Bye.
Are you smiling? Are you smiling, Goober?
Give him the carrot right now.
Smile. Good job. Here you go.
With cows, you never really know what you're walking into.
ไม่เอาไม่เอาไม่มือออกมาไหมมือออกมาเถอะขนาดเนี้ยไม่เอาไม่กินไหม
Dreamer pooped, yes. So just
Oh man.
When you let your intrusive thoughts win.
Alex, what happened?
This girl knows how to have fun. Sheep are extremely overdramatic. These goats think they're ducks, so they broke into the duck enclosure to steal their food.
He's gonna have you.
And he
Can't even see my hammock. What you doing? Hi, Rita. Just spit at me.
That's one way to keep the fights at bay.
I thought you were dead!
Nope, just napping.
Someone make a rude comment.
Ew, he's ugly. That's cute. Damn, did I say something?
A shortage of poultry. Oh, really hot. You really got my arm.
Bottom cover, Jamaica.
Top mode of transport right there. Running with the ducks' food? Not on their watch.
Oh God!
A real farm love story.
What you see is just yourself.
How's it feel?
I would build them an entire playground. It takes one plastic bag to break a horse. With cows, it's never a dull day. I would be so intimidated by this.
Kept bothering this giraffe.
Hey, dude. I don't think the officer's supposed to be there.
Oh, donkeys. Oh, sassy donkey. Oh. Yeah.
Helping Dad fix the window.
The fact that even he is laughing here makes this funnier.
Okay, that was terrifying.
This cow wanted to test his theory. Is the grass greener on the other side? Doesn't get more farm fresh than this. Speed drinking hack.
Oh my God!
The emu runs this farm. Rage-baiting chicken?
And we can't walk. This is where everybody's at.
They've unlocked maximum zen.
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still stupid!
People think longhorns are terrifying when they're actually this cute.
Good girl, Penelope. Good girl, Penelope.
That grass tasted unbelievably fresh. Is this a secret drill we don't know about? These chickens have never seen snow before. And now presenting the best sit of the year.
Y'all do that?
He's coming at you.
What is that, George?
That's a weird sprinkler. goats in breeding season.
Come on, get back, come on. Get past that, jump.
Speaks English?
Good morning, buddy. Hi.
This cow's named Chug. Can you guess why? Flash dance, but for cows. Is this efficient? No. Fun? Definitely. Every group has that one guy. She walks the dog, the horse walks her.
Who's that handsome boy? Who's that handsome? Who's that?
Akamçı tayo ng kakamçang. Aldı ka sa dito ba kamala? Ay, stop lah.
With She just wanted to have a seat. They ignored their own dinner to try and steal the horse.
Only catch him in the act.
Don't do it! Emmanuel! Don't.
Listen to the egg.
moving sheep from point A to B is not for the weak.
Can I help you? You gonna headbutt me again? Bully? Yeah. Hey, you gonna headbutt me again, are you?